So yo, the double up was definitely necessary. Super excited to have these in today, unboxing them for you guys and checking this pair out, because I heard, you know what I'm saying, before I purchased them, that this is a crispy pair of Air Jordans, man. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in, man. If you're new to the channel right now, you already know what you need to do. Sub up to the channel, smack that like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we have for you guys in the near future. You know what I'm saying? Smack that like button. That really helps the channel grow. It puts us in the algorithm. I gotta keep reiterating it to you guys, man. Smack that like button. All right, man. Shouts out to the homie, bro. Shout out to the homie, man. Hey, I ain't gonna say it. You already know who you are, Brody. I really do appreciate the assist on these guys right here, man. Retail therapy on these, bro. Y'all won't even believe me, you know what I'm saying? But shouts out to you, Brody. All love over here, and it's super dope to unbox these things for the Vintage Squad, man. So we're gonna get right into it. But right now, down below in the comment section, I need to know, what are your double up worthy, you know, pairs coming out this year? You know what I'm saying? We got a couple releases already. A lot of people are saying that, you know, a couple of releases are double up worthy. But I want to know for you guys, what are y'all, you know, double ups? Like, I know the Cherry 12 is a double up for me. I know the DMP 11 is probably a double up for a lot of you guys watching today's video. So please let me know what's double up worthy, what you gonna spend your money on, because I'm very interested in knowing. These right here were my only, like, you know, the Cherry 12s and these right here have to probably be my only double ups. But you know, we got a lot more releases to come this year, and we're gonna see what your boy's gonna be rocking a lot. So let's go ahead and get right into it, man. I'm super excited, bro. I heard I got a crispy pair, bro. I heard it's a crispy pair, flawless, no quality control issues, so that's always good to hear. And what I'm talking about right now, you probably, you know, y'all probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's go on and get into them, bro. You guys see the box, man. Y'all see the box, bro. I am super excited. We're gonna have to break these things out. You see the box, man. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? We got the frayed box, the vintage box with the elephant print going all the way around the bottom. Y'all should know what these is. It's gonna read the official colorway: Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, Fire Red, and Black. And we got these things in, of course, a size 9, you feel me? Super excited. Let's go ahead and break these things open and hold on, man. You guys already know what the reimagined 3s came with. You know what I'm saying? A little trifold right here, breaking down the entire sneaker, all the, you know, materials and stuff like that they threw together with these. And the time is here. So let's go ahead and pull these things out, bro. I am super excited. I already got a pair in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. We got a crispy pair, man, of Air Jordan 3 reimagined white cements, bruh. And hold on, bruh. Hold on, man. There's a quality looking A1. And if you guys did not remember my other pair, which is right behind me over there, that pair had all types of quality control issues. But these right here, we're gonna turn our brightness down real quick. Hold on. Let's turn our brightness down real quick, man. You guys see them, bruh. Check them out. And the elephant print is matching, bro. Hold on, we gotta get the side-by-side comparison, bro. The elephant print is actually matching with the left and the right shoe, bro. And I'm gonna show y'all my other pair that I got straight from the Nike sneakers app. You know, the quality was a little bit different on the elephant print on the back and on the toe box, but these right here, bro, they're perfect, man. Hold on, flip the side and the front around so you guys can check it out, see why I'm excited. I was disappointed when I initially got my pair. I hit on exclusive access from the Nike sneakers app, and my pair was jacked up. So let's go ahead and show you guys. I can already tell which one is the messed up pair just looking at the back, and I'm not gonna flip them or, you know, cross them. So check them out. This is the first pair that I hit on via the exclusive access Nike sneakers, and you guys can see the main difference in the back. This one is super like washed out, like they forgot to put a little bit of that, you know, black dye in there. And this one over here, the elephant print is going crazy. Same thing for the toe box. So checking out the toe box, man, look at it. It was just a crazy difference, and I was not too excited about that happening to your boy, the vintage, man. But the pair that we just unboxed today, you guys see it, man. Super clean, no quality control issues. The leather is super tumbled, and man, your boy is finally happy. I secured that double up, and I also got a clean pair. You know what I'm saying? I got a good quality control pair, and I got my double up. So that's a, you know, that's a plus for your boy, the vintage. Now I can beat up the other pair that I got from the Nike sneakers app, because I know for certain I will be wearing these a lot. Like, I know I put some wears to them. But yeah, man, check them out right here. Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined. Let me know down below in the comment section, where do you rank these? You know what I'm saying? I posed a question to a lot of people in the unboxing for the SB Air Jordan 4s. Like, this might be the new sneaker of the year. And I think it's gonna be a battle for, like, you know, 1 and 2 when it comes to the end of the year, December time frame. They're gonna be like, yo, is it the SB Air Jordan 4 as the sneaker of the year, or the clean Air Jordan 3 reimagined white cements? So like I said, man, let me know your double up worthy pickups this year. I think I got them crossed. Hold on, I'm tripping. I got the sneakers all crossed and stuff like that. Double up worthy for your boy, man. And we finally are successful doing that, and we unboxed them straight for the Vintage Squad. I know there's been some talks about restocks over the Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined. Watched a couple videos. Shout out to the homie, he got kicks, and you know, he got some, you know, some ties in the whole sneaker industry as far as retail stores. And he said that a couple of his homies is telling him it's gonna be some more reimagined white cement 3s on their manifest, and they're going to be filtering out through certain, you know, sneaker retail shops. So if I was you, I would definitely be, you know what I'm saying, hitting up your Foot Lockers, Champ Sports, DTLRs, Jimmy Jazzes, all that good stuff, and ask them like, yo, you got any more pairs that are, you know, scheduled to be dropped in the store? And you can even check on the Flex apps. I know it's going to be some late shipments here and there, so you can definitely check on the app and see if you can enter for your store. And they put out the information that the white cements will be restocking via Flex apps. Trust me, you're gonna know. Everybody's gonna be talking about it. Everybody on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and letting you guys know how to be successful as far as copping, you know, one of the best sneakers to release in 2023, and we only 3 months in. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for tapping in once again. Can't wait to read you guys' comments. Can't wait to see who's doubling up on what this year. Like I said, the Cherry 12s and the DNP 11s got to be up there as far as double up worthy, and we only 3 months into the year, and I already know Jordan Brand got some, you know, some heat to pull out for us. Some more little hidden gems like the SB4s. They literally came out of nowhere for me. I thought we was gonna get a Black Cat SB Air Jordan 4, but we ended up getting a Pine Green SB Air Jordan 4. So subscribe right now to the channel, hit that like button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. Again, thank you guys for tapping in, and with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.